Inserting a cell is even more risky. So for example, here we've got a simple spreadsheet, and let's just look at what the gross profit's doing. It's just subtracting cost of goods sold from sales. We realized that our head was down and we accidentally typed product D's cost of sales in product C. So we're just going to right click and we're going to insert, and we're going to tell Excel to shift the cells right. And let's put in the correct number. Let's see what our formulas look like. So you'll notice what Excel has done is when you shifted the cell to the right, it assumed that the formula must follow. But more important, the next formula assumes that it cannot still look there, so it also looks to the right. So one change over here can affect everything to the right or below if you tell it to go downwards. So be very careful when using that insert cell.